Hello everyone. Here in the given question, we have been given an equation which can be noted as shown. So we have been given this given equation and we are supposed to plot the graph for the given equation. Now in order to plot the graph of this given equation, we'll use step-by-step transformation of graphs in order to understand how it will be plotted. So let's proceed. Now the first graph that we'll be drawing would be of y equal to x minus 1. Now here what we do is we substitute x equal to 0 and we get y equal to minus 1. So we get 0 comma minus 1, and when we substitute y equal to 0 we get x equal to 1. So hence we get 1 comma 0 as the 2 points. So we draw a straight line joining those two given points, hence we have this given graph. Now once we have that given graph, we are supposed to plot the graph of y equal to mod of x minus 1. Now for mod, what we do is the part of the graph which is below the x-axis is reflected about the x-axis. So hence we get this given part, and the part which is above the x-axis is kept as it is. So this part is kept as it is. Then the part which is below the x-axis is completely ignored. So hence this part is completely ignored. So the graph obtained would be this given part. Then we plot the graph of minus of mod of x minus 1. For that what we do is we simply reflect the graph about the x-axis and ignore the previous graph. So this was the previous graph. So we reflect the graph as shown and then we ignore this given part. Once we have this, we are supposed to plot the graph of 2 minus mod of x minus 1. Now for that we need to understand that when we are adding two units, we'll be basically shifting the entire graph upwards by 2 units. So this was the graph previously obtained. So we shift that upwards by plus 2 units. So hence when shifted upwards, we get this given graph for the given equation. And last, we are supposed to plot the graph of y equal to mod of 2 minus mod of x minus 1. So for mod, what we do is whatever part of the graph is above the x-axis. So this part was above the x-axis, that is kept as it is. The part which is below the x-axis is reflected about the x-axis. So hence we obtain this and this given part, and then the part which is below the x-axis is completely ignored. So this part and this part would be completely ignored. Hence we can note the final graph of y equal to mod of 2 minus mod of x minus 1 as shown. So this is the graph of the following equation and the solution. I hope you've understood the question. Thank you.